Meaning of enrichment.
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 Enrichment. Enrichment refers to the process of increasing the quality, value, or significance of something. It can involve adding new elements or improving existing ones. The result is a more valuable or enhanced version of the original. Enrichment can apply to many areas, such as education, soil, animal habitats, and personal growth. For example, educational enrichment programs offer students the opportunity to deepen their knowledge and skills beyond what is normally taught in school. Soil enrichment involves adding nutrients to the soil, resulting in better crop yields. In all cases, enrichment leads to greater value and improved outcomes.